Okay, I don't know if this is new here. I don't know if y'all have this other places, but this is new here. Y'all see this red light up here? Yeah, it's a red light, and there's road construction going on up there. Instead of somebody standing there with a little flagging, they got this stoplight on a pole. I'll be darned. Now somebody come up with a good idea on that one. I'd have to give them credit. I'm gonna keep the camera going a minute so we can get the rest of the footage on this, because this is a little different here, folks. Never seen this. Never quite seen this before. Here's the traffic coming by. It's going the other way that they're letting go. Uh-oh, one of them wants to get in a driveway and got the road blocked. We got a problem, Houston. Hope that big truck don't want to get in the driveway. Okay, let's go. I guess they got some dude up there pushing the button, changing the light. There we go. We got a green light now. We're going to get to go. I'll have to tell you, this is different. We just took two people's jobs away. And the brake. Oh, wow. Think about that a minute now. I didn't even get to go. I didn't even get to move. Holy moly. Now, I think they got to work on their timing a little bit, guys. I mean, because this is ridiculous. But yeah, they're working. See them working right up the road there. I don't know if y'all see that or not. But the portable red light's right here. I'm going to get some more pictures of it as we go by. I'm trying out the new GoPro anyway, you know, so I just happen to have it in the seat. Normally I wouldn't have it with me, but boy, it's getting backed up now behind me. Look back here. Can y'all see all them cars back in? Look at all that. They backing up. Yep. Just hope this light will change in a minute. We can start moving. Uh-oh, we got people turning around now. There ain't even no cars coming. Now cars are coming. What in the world? This be enough to drive an old man to get agitated. Yep. I have to say I'm impressed with their light. But I'm not impressed with the way it's functioning so far. Here we go, green light. Go, 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 go. Y'all better get on it or it'll get us. Because it don't stay green long. I mean, it's like no time. Look at there, stop on red. Got a light. Nobody there, just a light. So there's one dude with a lunch pail, no job. And when we get to the other end of this water line, there's going to be another dude that has got a lunch pail with no job. Yes, sir? And I don't know how they're operating. They may be automated for all I know. That may be why we got such a funky light on it. Look at this. See, here's the other one right here in front of the boiler tube company. Got a line of cars over here waiting. But yep, hey. Darndest thing I ever seen. There goes two guys that was making, what, $12, $15 an hour maybe, standing on the road waving for traffic through. There goes them jobs. They're gone now. So, hey, y'all talk about that machine at the McDonald's going to take your order and take somebody's job. That took a working man's job right there. That's the way life is. It's happening every day out here, guys. So, hey, y'all stick with it. I'll stick with it. Frugal Fix it every time you get a chance. You know what that is, don't you? That's when you fix something cheap, but you fix it where it's going to work. That's a Frugal Fix. So, hey, y'all be good. Sorry about the bounce. Hey, y'all be good. Stay out of trouble. I'm going to head